This week we are going to continue working on addition with regrouping. Students are going to be expected to add up to 4 two-digit numbers. That's what we're going to be working on for the entire week, and they will have a grade over this on Friday. So kind of carrying over what we've been working on, we're going to draw models just like this. Please refrain from teaching them the algorithm method. That will come in Unit 6. We will teach them that around January-ish time. It will come back around and we will be teaching them the algorithm. For right now, we're going to stick to our base 10 models. So I'm just going to teach them, of course, still, and remind them to always start in the ones place. So they're going to draw their ones for each number. There's 5, 2, 7, and 4. Probably the biggest problem that students have if they're getting confused or they're not sure or they're off by 1 is because they're not keeping their ones and tens organized. So I always remind them to keep it organized, keep it nice and neat, make sure you can see everything, and make sure you've done it correctly. So they're going to first start by seeing if they can make a 10, which in this case they can. So they need to combine 10 together. There's 7 and 3 more makes 10. So I'm going to circle these together, and then I'm going to turn them into a 10. And I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to bring my 10 over. This is kind of starting to look like algorithm, so we will eventually get there. But we're going to stick to our models and showing our work. So we count the ones that we have left: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do not have enough to make another 10, so it stays 8. And now I'm going to draw my 10s for each number. So that's 2, 3, 1, and 3. Now, they don't want to leave this guy behind. They have to count that as well. And so we're going to add up all of our 10s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, they do have enough to make 100. So they're going to circle them. And they're going to cross them out. And they're going to turn them into 100. So they have 100s and they have 0 10s, which makes the answer 108.